If you install a pool gate wrong, it won't pass inspection. I'm going to show you the right way to install an aluminum pool gate, and it all comes down to the hardware. You need a keyed Magna Latch and self-closing hinges, or this thing just won't work properly. If you need the exact hardware we use, reach out. We ship nationwide. Now it is time to hang the gate. We're going to start by putting the hinges on the gate here. We want to line up this hinge kind of in between the mid and the top rail. Once that is secure, we're going to move on to the bottom hinge. For the bottom hinge, there's no set rule, but we like to be about 6 inches up from the bottom of the gate. So we have the hinges on the gate, and now it's time to actually hang it on the gate post here. One thing I want to point out that's really important is you want the spring-loaded side of the hinge to be on the fence post, not on the side of the gate. Now, in order to meet pool code, the gate does need to be self-closing. Now it's time to put the latch. Now, as you'll see, this Magna Latch comes with a key. When that red dot is showing, it's locked. Then when you turn the key, that red dot goes away. That means it's unlocked. To install this latch, you're going to first take the entire thing and put it up against the fence post. You're going to start with the side screws. This allows you to maximize the distance between the two brackets. Then you're going to lift the latch off so you can put the front screws in the two brackets. Then you're going to put the latch back on. Now you have to put the striker onto the gate frame. Simply put it on the gate frame and see where it lines up. There's a little screw on the inside that allows you to adjust it so you can go a little bit further away or closer to the gate. Once it lines up well, you're going to screw that onto the gate frame. Then once that's all set, you're going to put the cap on the striker body. Now, if you want to see the full fence installation tutorial where we go over the entire patio fence step by step, check out the attached link. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.